Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to throw together a quick project. My wife wanted to get a pet bird, so we compromised and got a bird feeder. So I'm going to make a little bird feeder hook stand thing to mount it in the tree, and let's do it. What I'm thinking is taking this bit of 2x4 and kind of cutting out a little piece, jigging up a little thing, putting a little hole and kind of doing the thing, and then mounting on the thing and putting the thing, and then hanging the thing, doing the thing. Who says you can't pocket hole jig everything? I'm going to start a starter hole for the hook with this little tiny drill bit because basically using some of these hooks, I crimped it down just a smidge. All right, let's go out and mount this in the tree. Very simple hook. I mean, very simple hook. Outdoor screws. Let's fill this up with birdseed and hang it in the tree and see if the wife likes it. I think she will. All right, let's go. I'm gonna put it right here because we can see it from the dining room window. The little bird feeder deal, and let's see how this goes.
There you go. Good job, honey.
Thanks, YouTube. Take care. Peace out.
No, I don't want to. Maybe you need to do it again.